cookers, welcome to our delicious channel. My name is Kamala. I'm thrilled to have you today on our amazing culinary adventure. Each week, we will uncover traditional Indonesian recipes passed down through my generation, and we will blend it with global influence, creating such exciting and delicious dishes. So whether you are a seasoned chef, a beginner, or simply just trying to impress your date tonight, you're in the right place. Let's get cooking. Cookers, we're diving into basic of cooking. And what's more basic than a perfect fluffy steamed bowl of rice? I'm going to show you a foolproof method of achieving fluffy, aromatic steamed rice every single time. So let's get started. So for this recipe, we only need two ingredients. One is the rice and water. So we are using a jasmine rice. You can also use basmati rice or sushi rice. But specifically today, we're using jasmine rice. And for jasmine rice, the ratio between rice and water is 1:2. So meaning every 1 cup of rice, you will need 2 cups of water. We bring the rice to boil, to vigorous boil like this, and then we close them, put in a low temperature, let the rice simmer, and leave it for 15 minutes undisturbed. And remember, the fire should be in low too. So 15 minutes undisturbed. Do not attempt to open. In 15 minutes, let's check it out how they look like. So let's see our rice. Look how beautiful it is. So the last trick is we close it back, we turn off the fire, but we let the pot stay in a hot stove for about 5 minutes. This allows the rice to kind of sink in more and steam more, and it creates more fluffiness. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes since we let this baby sit in a hot stove with the fire off. Come, let's check out how is our rice. You have it, a simple and foolproof technique for cooking a perfectly steamed rice. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned with our channel because the next episode we will be cooking with you a staple Indonesian food that is beloved by the former President Barack Obama. So to make sure you are subscribed and turn on the notification. Until next time, and happy cooking!